You slept 8 hours last night. You did everything right. And you still woke up feeling like you hadn't slept at all. Not your mattress, not your stress levels, not the number of hours. There's a precise biological reason, and it happens in the first 15 minutes of your day. Your body already knows how to wake up energized. Your morning habits are interrupting the process. I went through weeks of sleep research to understand this, and honestly, I was kind of furious at how simple the fix turned out to be. 0 cost, no supplements, 15 minutes. That's the entire fix. Here's what's actually happening inside your brain every single morning. By the end of this video, you'll have a precise protocol you can run tomorrow morning, free in 15 minutes, that will change how awake you feel for the rest of the day. The story starts with one molecule, a waste product. Your brain makes it every single time it fires a signal. Every hour you're awake, it builds up. Think of it as your brain keeping score of how long it's been running. When the score gets high enough, that's the heavy, dragging feeling. That's not weakness, that's chemistry. Sleep is when your brain runs its cleaning cycle. It literally flushes that molecule out overnight. But here's the part that nobody talks about. Your alarm goes off before that cycle finishes. You wake up with a brain that's still half dirty. And that leftover chemistry is exactly why 8 hours can still leave you wrecked. Which is honestly kind of insane when you think about it. Driving to work in heavy sleep inertia can impair your reaction time almost as much as alcohol. And most of us do it every single day without knowing. This is why you can sleep 9 hours on vacation and feel incredible. Then sleep 7 on a Sunday night and feel absolutely destroyed by Monday. It's not about the hours. It's about how far the cleaning cycle got. Now, your body built something to fix this fast. A natural mechanism that fires every single morning, if you let it. You've probably heard that cortisol is bad. The wellness world has basically declared war on this hormone. In the morning, cortisol is the hero. It clears the remaining chemistry. It warms your body. It gets your brain back online. But here's where almost everyone fails, including me for years. This surge needs one specific trigger to fire. Not coffee, not a cold shower. Outdoor morning light, directly in your eyes. Deep inside your brain, there's a tiny cluster of cells that acts as your master clock. And this is where it gets interesting, because this clock is both incredibly powerful and incredibly easy to break. When morning light enters your eyes, it sends a direct signal to this clock. Day has started. Run the morning sequence. The cortisol surge fires. The chemistry fog clears. Your brain comes fully online, usually in 20 to 30 minutes. This is why construction workers and farmers almost never complain about morning brain fog. They're not disciplined. They're just accidentally following the biology every day. Now here's the part that makes this frustrating. Because the amount of light your clock actually needs is way higher than you'd think, and most of what people try simply doesn't count. Indoor lighting gives you around 200 to 500 lux. Your clock needs at least 1,000 just to start responding. Ideally, 10,000 or more. A cloudy day outside? Still over 10,000. Which honestly blew my mind the first time I read that. Looking through a window, the glass filters out most of the critical signal. Your clock barely registers it. So you know the fix. Go outside. Simple. And this is exactly where most people think they've solved it. And haven't. You go outside. You get your light. Done, right? Here's what I was doing for 3 years while I thought I was doing it right. I was outside, under the sky, getting my morning light, and looking at my phone the entire time. The light receptors your clock needs are in the lower half of your retina. They're designed to catch light from above, from the sky, not from a screen 6 inches below your eyes. When you look down at your phone outside, you are pointing those receptors directly at the pavement. This is the biohacker trap. Morning walks, cold showers, perfect routines, and still foggy at the 9 a.m. meeting, because the phone came with them outside. I genuinely thought I was a morning person because I had strong coffee. I wasn't. I was a well-masked, foggy person for years. Okay, here's the actual fix. 4 steps, 15 minutes, and I'm going to address every excuse you're already thinking of, because I had all of them too. Step 1. Walk outside within 10 minutes of waking, before coffee, before your phone, before anything. And no, you don't need a garden, a park, or even a view. Standing outside your building's front door counts. The sky is the sky. Step 2. Look up. At the sky or the horizon. 10 minutes on a sunny day, 20 on a cloudy one. And leave the phone inside. You don't need to stare directly at the sun. Never do that. Just face the general direction of bright sky. Your peripheral vision does the rest. Step 3. Move. 5 minutes of brisk walking while you're out there. That's it. Step 4, and this is the hard one for most people. Wait 90 minutes before your first coffee. Those 90 minutes aren't punishment. Your natural hormone surge runs its full job first. Then, when coffee hits a clean system, it actually works properly. No crash. Can't get outside? Winter darkness, bad weather, no option? A 10,000 lux light therapy lamp pointed at eye level works as a substitute. It's not perfect, but it's close enough. Most people notice something different within 48 hours. Not dramatic, just cleaner. Like the fog actually lifted instead of being pushed aside. By day 5, most people start waking up before their alarm. That's not a habit. That's your circadian rhythm finally running correctly. And here's why this sticks, why it's not just a morning hack. It's a loop. Morning light sets a 14-hour timer for your sleep chemistry to activate at night. Better night's sleep means the cleaning cycle runs longer. Longer cleaning means less leftover fog in the morning. Your mornings program your nights. Your nights program your mornings. This is the vital loop. Every mattress upgrade, every sleep supplement, every nighttime routine, they're attacking the wrong half of the loop. You don't fix sleep by optimizing night. You fix sleep by programming morning. Tomorrow morning, before the coffee, before the phone, before the world starts talking at you, step outside for 10 minutes. Look up. Your biology has been waiting for that signal your entire life. Tomorrow, you may still sleep 8 hours. The difference is, your brain might actually finish waking up this time. Now tell me, when you go outside in the morning, are you actually looking up, or are you on your phone? Be honest. No judgment, just data. And if you know someone who's been exhausted for years and can't figure out why, send them this. It costs nothing to fix. They just need to know where to look. Next week, the one stage of sleep that determines 60% of how rested you actually feel, and the common evening habit that quietly cuts it short every night. See you there.